Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is shrill. It is pronounced shrill, and it is spelt S-H-R-I-L-L. Think sh and then rill. Shrill means, when talking about a voice or a sound, that it is high-pitched and piercing. For example, you could say, a shrill alarm rang across the school. The word shrill comes from the Old English scralaton, meaning to sound loudly. While a shrill sound is often loud, today it specifically means a sound that is very high-pitched. Can you think of any examples of shrill sounds? Stop the podcast for a moment and have a think. How about a baby's cry, a fire alarm, a bird's call, a whistle, a car alarm, or nails on a blackboard? You might not have heard that recently though, seeing as in most schools these days they do have whiteboards. What's the shrillest sound you can make? Prepare everybody around you to cover their ears. Shrill is an adjective, and therefore a describing word. For example, you could say, the door creaked open with a shrill squeak. Shrill is defined in the dictionary as having a loud and high sound that is unpleasant or painful to listen to. Shrill synonyms include high-pitched, piercing, high, sharp, ear-piercing, ear-splitting, air-rending, penetrating, shattering, strident, loud, strong, intrusive, screeching, shrieking, screechy, and squawky. Antonyms include low, soft, and dulcet. See if you can notice any shrill sounds today. It could be an alarm or someone's high-pitched voice. Either way, impress your friends and family by using your new word today, shrill. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.